Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Bang Olufsen Beolit 15 speaker with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to grab your speaker and turn it on with this power button until it lights up. There we go. And then you have to just hit this Bluetooth button and wait until it starts blinking blue. But if it is not working, you can just click and hold it also. And as you can see right now, it is blinking, so we have to put it close to our MacBook, and then we have to open the Bluetooth settings. Of course, we have to turn them on with the switcher, and then open all the Bluetooth settings that we have on our MacBook. And from the nearby devices list, we have to select our Bang Olufsen Beolit 15 speaker. It will switch from the nearby devices to the My devices, and we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.